And as an example, last year at SEMA, Mopar revealed a wide selection of products exclusively developed for the all-new Jeep Wrangler, and also gave you a first look at the 2018 Wrangler. This year, we're able to show you how these products have earned their stripes. They were battle-tested on the most brutal conditions on the Moab trails. From beadlock wheels to tube doors to off-road LED light lift kits, these vehicles are living proof that Mopar stands for performance, and in this case, off-road performance. As you can see, these concepts are not just pretty faces designed to look good in a car show. No, these are the real deal, engineered, developed to celebrate the Jeep brand's unparalleled capabilities and deliver where it matters the most, on the trail. Jeep Performance Parts now offers more than 200 products, from off-road readiness to lifestyle accessories to customization. Mopar has what you need and what you want. But this isn't the only good news we had to share with you today. Yesterday, the Jeep Wrangler was recognized for the 9th consecutive year as SEMA's 4x4 SUV of the year. The Ram 1500 was also recognized as a top truck, and the Dodge Challenger ranked in the top 3 vehicles in the car category as well. So I'd like to say thank you to the judges, the customizers here at SEMA, for selecting Wrangler, Ram, and Challenger as vehicles that embody their inspiration. We appreciate the recognition. In addition to these honors this morning, together with our partners at Dana, we announced a new axle for the hardcore off-roader. This will continue to add to the off-road capabilities that you've come to expect from Wrangler.